Alright, so the first mineral I'm going to show you here, show it to you right here. I don't feel like I really need to go over too much in detail about some of its features, but I will show you this, which should give it away. This is hydrochloric acid. And if you look at it, it reacts, so that should give a pretty good hint as to what this is. Alright, I'm going to try my best to get a thin section view of this same mineral, but here you go. You see it's pleochroic, shows excellent cleavage, and I will say that this is a hexagonal crystal system. So this next mineral is a halide. There's no thin section for it because I don't know where it is and I don't really feel like looking for it. But regardless, I should be able to figure it out. Nice transparency to it, cubic cleavage, and if you were to lick it, because it looks just so tasty, you would note that it is salty, and that is because it has the chemical formula NaCl. Alright, next mineral we're looking at is pretty important to the New Paltz area. It is what makes up the ridge just outside of town. I'm not talking about the case bar, which is this like pinkish mineral. I'm talking about this white grayish material. It does in fact scratch glass. If I were to scratch it, would scratch. And it has a chemical formula of SiO2, so hopefully you should be able to figure it out. Alright, yeah, so this mineral has like anhedral texture. You can see it's pleochroic, low birefringence, and if you were to look at it in higher resolution, you would notice that it is optically positive. Alright, so this is like my favorite amphibole we got to view in mineralogy last semester. I don't really want to talk about it too much with just a hand sample. I kind of just wanted to show it to you, but yeah, it's not super hard. It doesn't scratch glass, about 5 to 6 Mohs hardness scale. Just a pretty cool hand sample, but the thin section is just so cool. Looking at this under a microscope, we can see that it is monoclinic. It is biaxially negative, has relatively high birefringence, close to second order, under 30 micrometers. As we can see, it is also pleochroic. We get these like beautiful pinks and oranges and blues. It's a really good looking mineral. And